everyone, welcome back to another episode of Gaming Basics. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to increase move on Candy Crush Saga. While playing a game, you might walk into a situation when you run out of moves on Candy Crush Saga. When this happens, you'll have an option to keep playing by spending gold. You'll need to go ahead and spend 10 gold in order to get 5 extra moves. But this is possible only if you've got gold on your account. You can get golds by spending US dollars. Go ahead and select the gold you'd like to purchase from the candy shop. If you don't have gold, you won't be able to add extra moves on Candy Crush Saga. Remember that the extra move is known as a booster. In Candy Crush Saga, it'll add more moves to a level, and the booster can only be obtained using gold. The extra move booster adds 5 extra runs in the game upon activation. That is how you'll be able to increase moves on Candy Crush Saga. I hope the tutorial was helpful to you. If it was, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. I'll be back soon with more videos like this. Thanks for watching.